heavy deployment of the CRPF officials at this point, but given the villagers don't feel safe already, while polling has been done, but repolling hasn't. And counting.
लोग रोड पे आ जाते हैं, आप थोड़ा अंदर अरे एक मिनट रुकिए कोई मसला नहीं है, वो सेफ सिक्योर है, वो बुलाओ उसको। आप थोड़ा आ जाओ थोड़ा ब्रीफ स्टेटमेंट कर दीजिए। 5 मिनट
छोड़ दो 5 मिनट बोल दीजिए।
This is the current scenario, and we'll get back that connection with Taposh. Taposh, yes, as I was trying to understand another aspect, the villagers are feeling this unsafe and threatened at a point where repolling is still awaited, counting hasn't happened, and we already see threats coming in. The question remains, what happens after counting is out? Whoever wins, who protects these villagers, that remains to be a big question.
Well, yes, absolutely. As you were watching the visual, more and more forces are being mobilized, and at this very place, the female forces of the CRPF have also come in. The marksman vehicle of the CRPF have also reached the spot, and they're trying to douse the situation at the moment. By far, there's not much tension that exists here, but yes, people are apprehensive. People want safety, and that assurance from the government, from the election commission. They are requesting for a deployment of central paramilitary forces out here. A huge number of forces from the CRPF have been brought in to get deployed out here. The woman still remains to be inside this very place, and they are not coming out on the highway as of now. Some representative from the village have been taken along with the official of the CRPF. He's trying to speak to them and make them understand about the situation, and assuring that their safety is paramount and that would be safeguarded, and that's what they are trying to communicate at this moment to this large crowd that have gathered here right now. They are demanding that they want a repoll. They are demanding that there should be a deployment of the Central Armed Police Forces, and they are also demanding arrest of the Panchayat Pradhan, against whom the allegations are that he's mobilizing some goons out here to threaten people, and they are being threatened since last 2 days, as the villagers claim of the dire consequences only because they were able to cast their vote. Shreya.
Taposh, do you see any kind of difference in trust that people have on the police officers there and the CRPF? Because as you also mentioned, and we could see in the visuals, they were jubilant when the CRPF officials finally entered into that very lane where the mob has collected. But the police was already trying to control and monitor the situation there. Do you see a difference in the sense of trust in these two forces at this point?
Well, say yes, police is trying to see, since the police officials are from this very place, they do not have a dialect problem. They are trying to convince that there will be force deployment, but the villagers were not satisfied. They wanted assurance directly from the central forces. Now a deputy commandant rank officer of the Central Reserve Police Force have reached here. He is speaking to some representative of the village and trying to make them understand that there will be deployment, and the safety security is their prerogative, and they will continue to provide them the security cover. After that, you can see the crowd have got dispersed to some extent after hearing from the Central Forces officer. But it remains to be seen that how the deployments are done, whether or not any punitive action is taken against the concerned person against whom they are alleging. If that happens, they are ready to withdraw this protest. Unless that happens, they claim that they will continue this protest. But this protest have been happening since last 2-3 hours. But as of now, the people have got inside this lane. The force have been able to disperse the mob as of now. They are protesting peacefully. And the demands, as I said, a repoll in entire Falta. They are demanding arrest of the concerned person who have been mobilizing goons in the area, and the deployment of Central Reserve Police Force in the area is what their demands are. You can see now people are being pushed inside this very lane so that they do not come up on the road. as it happened a little while back. And they continue to be inside is what the Central Force officials are now trying to understand.
So, Taposh, at this point, the goons that we are speaking of, you spoke of the Panchayat Pradhan, but the goons that we are speaking of, have any of them been detained by any chance, or even been confronted by the police officers? Could the villagers point out who they were so far?
Well, as of now, no arrest or detention has happened as we speak. But police have heard the villagers, and police assured a little while back that they will be taking punitive action against the persons who were mobilizing the goons and the persons who came on bikes threatening the villagers. The action would be taken against them. But the villagers demanded in reply to that they want deployment of Central Reserve Police Force. That's the CRPF in particular they want. And I will just go across.
कोई भी एम्बुलेंस, कोई भी पेशेंट, ठीक है, किसी का रोड ब्लॉक नहीं करना है. जो आपको धमकी दे रहा है उस पर पुलिस पैरामिलिट्री मिलके काम कर रही है, ठीक है. आप ये रोड ब्लॉक मत करिए, ठीक है, उस पर काम चल रहा है. कोई भी आपको नहीं तंग करेगा, कोई भी आपको धमकी नहीं देगा. आप नहीं देगा. अब यहाँ हम पेट्रोल लगा रहे हैं, पिकेट लगा रहे हैं, ठीक है, डोमिनेट कर रहे हैं. 24 घंटे. अरे कल हो गया उसका छोड़ो, अब 24 घंटे आपके लिए यहाँ प्रेजेंट है, ठीक है. और रात में भी रहेंगे, दिन में भी रहेंगे.
लेकिन रहने से कोई फायदा नहीं है.
चलिए.
कितना टाइम लगेगा?
अरे बता दिया इनको. आप चलिए अभी जाइए. अभी आप जाइए. अभी आप देखो, पीछे चलिए, ठीक है. आपसे रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, आप पीछे चलिए.
जब भी प्रॉब्लम होगा हर दिन.
नहीं, अब नहीं होगा. कोई धमकी नहीं देगा. आप चलिए.
ये हर काल से सर कोई सुविधा
पीछे चलिए. आप पीछे लेके जाइए. पीछे चलिए. रोड ब्लॉक मत कीजिए. रोड ब्लॉक मत कीजिए.
आरोप क्या सर? हमरा तो रोड ब्लॉक कुछ ही ना सर. जो आरोपी है सर उसको नहीं कर रहा है सर. जो आरोपी
आप थोड़ी देर हमें काम अपना काम कर दीजिए. सीएपीएफ का फुल डिप्लॉयमेंट है यहाँ. आप हमें काम करने दीजिए प्लीज थोड़ी देर.
Well, that's what the officer have categorically stated, that the deployment of this Central Police Force will be done out here, and it will continue to remain day and night. That's what they communicated to the villagers, as some of them have already agreed, and it seems that people are little. I'll show you once again. Well, it's the women protesters who are basically irate, and they want assurance from the central forces, but the central paramilitary forces deployed here, and the assurance from the deputy commandant rank officer have ensured all safety and security to the villagers.
Right, Taposh.
He said
Well,
that there will be-
Taposh, will come back to you in some time. But yes, viewers, this is the current situation in Falta. CRPF consistently trying to assure the people there that they will take care of the situation. They'll patrol the area 24/7. But the people continue to express their concerns and the fact that they still feel threatened at this given point of time. And of course, with the demand for repolls in this very region.